Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only. Our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. So, let's start with the broader cryptocurrency market. And after that, let's already move on to the latest news. Also the deal on the Lunc token. Bitcoin is trading above the $20,000 mark today, as we can see at the moment. There was a good jump last night. It exceeded the $20,000 mark, almost went up to the $20,500 mark, but after that, it rolled back a little bit. Much better showed itself the second cryptocurrency, this Ethereum, and major altcoins. Ethereum rose by more than 9%, although at the peak the increase was 15% and the mark of $15,000 was crossed. After that, traders ran into bears and the price rolled back little by little. Major cryptocurrencies such as Cardano, AVAX performed well. Cardano surpassed the 41-cent mark, and at the same time AVAX almost reached the $17 mark. Also, the token Lunc got boosted by the broader cryptocurrency market, which is a bit odd, but again additionally it was just like catalysts for growth, and that's a good thing. The coin surpassed the 30 decimal point and 24 cents. I was already hoping to see just this consolidation and movement in the corridor from 3 zeros after the decimal point and 24 cents to 3 zeros after the decimal point and 30 cents going forward. But after that, the coin also rolled back as well as the broader cryptocurrency market, and in the near future an important crossing will be this mark. If it is broken, the Terra Classic token could trade with further resistance levels at 3 zeros after the decimal point and 27 cents, and then head towards its key level. Of the most recent catalysts that may have affected the price of Terra Classic is just that, the Neblio deal. Let's break down the latest collaboration, and exactly the topic I talked about at the beginning of the video. The Terra Classic team clarifies the role of Binance in the Neblio deal. What exactly is this? What kind of collaboration is this? What does Binance have to do with it? Terra rebels say that Binance played only an introductory role in the sponsorship deal with Neblio. In a tweet today, an independent group of Terra Classic network volunteers clarified that Binance had no part in its latest sponsorship deal with Neblio, other than providing both parties. For some, the group explained, Binance never played any role other than the initial entry into the support agreement between Terra rebels and Neblio. Binance has never supported, endorsed, mediated, or played any role in the support agreement between Terra rebels and Neblio. Notably, the popular and influential Terra Classic also repeated the message by sharing a screenshot of a note to the Terra rebels admin, Clan Moodhorn, which claimed that spreading information to the contrary creates problems for the rebels. Let's also break down what this Neblio deal is all about. So, on October 11, Neblio became an official supporter of the Terra Classic network, thanks to the planned sponsorship of Terra rebels. Specifically, Neblio will offer infrastructure, financial and consulting support. According to a leaked, confidential agreement, Neblio will provide funding to Terra rebels in 2 tranches. Neblio will allocate the first tranche to rebels after the deal passes, a vote by the group's management team intended for several infrastructure upgrade projects on the Lunc network. Notably, after the Neblio team makes sure that the rebels have completed these projects, the second tranche will be remade to the rebels for their use, at their discretion. Neblio to do all of this in exchange for promoting Terra rebels. While the deal promises to revitalize several critical Lunc network infrastructures and spur development, some community members are still worried. DemonMonkey777, an influential community member, who is also responsible for the leaked confidential agreement between rebels and Neblio, has expressed several concerns about the partnership. DemonMonkey concerns include a lack of transparency about the cost of the deal, desired anonymity by members of the Neblio teams, and a lack of clarity about how Terra rebels will use the second tranche. Also, a prominent whistleblower called the deal a death blow to Terra Classic. In an earlier comment, he wrote it as extorting money in exchange for a shilling on the Neblio network. Then, in response to DemonMonkey concerns, Tommy Sanderson, also known as a member of Rebels and a core developer of Terra Classic, stressed that he would naturally allocate funds to team members as part of the sponsorship deal. Tommy Sanderson also hinted that it was only fair that the team be compensated for their work, asking if the influencer would prefer that they work for free all the time. The raider also clarified that Terra Rebels would not promote the network or the Neblio coin, but instead the promotion that Neblio would receive in exchange for sponsorship would revolve only around its support. It's worth noting that there is a general apprehension in the crypto space about venture capital funding, as community members often fear that the goals of venture capitalists may not always be in the best interest of the community. At this point, I think we can call it a day on a token like Lunc. Write your opinion about the topic we discussed today, and what you think about this coin in the near future. To what highs it can grow to, write in the comments. I also ask you to subscribe to the channel and like this video. But that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.